Hey everyone! Today we're diving into something that might sound technical, but is actually super important for creating high-quality PVC products. Ever wondered what gives PVC that smooth, durable finish? The secret often lies in the calcite grinding mill. This incredible machine takes raw calcite and grinds it into ultra-fine powder with perfect consistency. Why does that matter? Well, calcite acts as a filler and stabilizer in PVC manufacturing. It improves the material's strength, reduces costs, and enhances the final product's appearance. Without proper grinding, you'd get uneven particles that weaken the PVC and create surface defects. But with a high-performance calcite grinding mill, you achieve uniform particle size distribution every time. This means your PVC products come out stronger, more reliable, and with that professional smooth finish customers love. Modern grinding mills are engineered for efficiency too. They consume less energy while delivering superior results. They can handle various production capacities, from small workshops to large industrial operations. The best part? Investing in quality grinding equipment pays for itself through reduced material waste and better end products. Whether you're making pipes, profiles, or any PVC components, proper calcite processing makes all the difference. So if you're in the PVC business, don't overlook this crucial step in your manufacturing process. Upgrade your grinding capabilities and watch your product quality soar to new heights. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe for more manufacturing insights.